Good morning, everyone. Good morning, traders. How are you today? Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Dave. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Dave. Good morning, Kehinde, a newcomer in our trading room. Good morning, Kehinde. Good morning, Laura. Good morning, Mary, Rachel. Good morning, Seth, another newcomer. Good, guys. It's nice to have good people, new people on board. So good morning to all of you. Let's wait a few more minutes so that more are joining us. This is 9 a.m. in the morning, guys, 6th of November. And our morning session is about to start. This is Kyriakos Harilou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. So how is your day today, Daniel? Is everything okay? Guys, today is Champions League day. And we have great matches, especially today and tomorrow. We have Inter Barcelona, we have Juve United, we have Red Star Liverpool. Daniel, Liverpool is playing tonight. I think it's a bit earlier than the other games. And I think we will have an easy win tonight, right, Daniel? I'm looking forward to the match as well. So guys, the target for today is to make enough money so that we don't run out of beers tonight. We have Red Star Liverpool, and then we have Napoli Paris Saint-Germain at the same time, 10 o'clock in the evening, Cyprus time. We have Inter Barcelona, we have Atletico Dortmund. So this means, guys, that today we need to make money. We need to make money as usual because we want to pay the beers tonight. And it's going to be lots of them. Lots of beers tonight. So it's Champions League day, it's Champions League night for the male population of Earth. It's a very important day today. So we need to get money for the beers, guys. So not only for the beers and for anything else we want. So we are definitely looking forward, Daniel, for the match tonight. Let's hope that Liverpool will do great, as is our team, as well as Atletico Madrid. Because I'm also a fan of Atletico Madrid. We had a terrible defeat in Dortmund the previous weeks, 4-0 from Borussia Dortmund. Let's see if tonight we manage a comeback and eventually get back to the game of qualifying to the next round. I'm talking about Atletico Madrid. So, let's start with what we have done yesterday. As you can see, the majority of the positions are of yesterday's positions. Let me show you what we have done yesterday. Well, not much, nothing happened actually, other than the ones Salah will make it. Let's hope so. So yesterday, guys, you saw that we closed positions on pound yen, pound Aussie, pound dollar, and pound Aussie. And our trading session ended on this transaction here. Later in the evening, we also closed our euro-dollar positions, and we have raised the profits to $14,679. So today, I haven't still closed a single position, as you can see. And let me go straight to today's trades. Now, as you can see, I have reversed today. So the first position that I have reversed today to long positions on Aussie dollar at 0.72201 with a stop loss at 0.71631 and a TP at 0.72551. So that's the first position that I have for the moment. Moreover, since yesterday, we are still long on euro yen. We have reversed to long positions yesterday evening. So second position, I am long euro yen at 129.199. Let me keep an eye on the pound Aussie pair. I might trade it. So second trade, long position on euro yen at 129.99. Stop loss 128.629 and TP 129.549. So that's the second position that I have. Today, a few minutes ago, I have also initiated a new position on euro dollar. I have entered long positions on euro USD. As you can see, entry level was 1.14142 with a stop loss at 1.13572 and a TP at 1.14492. Next one, today also, I have entered a new short position on pound yen. As you can see, I have shorted pound yen. My exercise price, my entry level price was 148.098 with a stop loss at 148.668 and a TP at 147.748. Moreover, today I have also entered a long position, so the fifth trade for the moment, I have entered a long position on pound dollar, so long pound dollar at 1.3644, stop loss 1.3007. And TP just below 131 at 1.30994. Moving on, I have reversed today again to long positions on the Kiwi. So sixth position, I'm long the Kiwi, New Zealand USD at 0.66737. Stop loss 0.66167 and TP 0.67087. Next one, since yesterday, I have reversed yesterday evening, as you can see from the opening time here and date, to long positions on dollar CAD. So for the moment, I'm long dollar CAD at 1.31129. Stop loss 1.30559 and TP 1.31479. Next one, I'm also short dollar CHF since yesterday. So trade number 8, I'm short USD CHF. Take profit. TP is take profit Gehinde and stop loss is SL. So next one, I'm short dollar CHF at 1.00475, stop loss 1.01045 and TP 1.00125. Next one, the ninth position, the ninth FX pair I'm trading today, it's a short position on dollar yen initiated at 113.383 with a stop loss 113.953 and a TP at 113.033. So as you can see, I'm always trading 10 pairs, okay? I have positions on the 9 out of 10 pairs, and I'm just waiting to receive confirmation for any long or short positions on the screen you are monitoring now on pound Aussie. So I'm getting ready to receive confirmation signals for any long or short positions on pound Aussie. So I see that the leaf has just started trading indices. So let's go straight to a leaf for the European opening.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the live trading session here at Trademy.com, guys. Welcome. Nice to have you here. So we just started with our first trade this morning. Good morning, Mary. Nice to have you here. Italy 40 is waiting for you. So we put our first trade on Italy 40, guys. You know Italy 40 is an extreme volatile asset. I just went long with Italy 40. I saw this nice reversal, and we are here on the day's low, extremely low. We haven't been so low since last week, and I believe this is a reversal. So let's put our take profit here. My take profit on Italy 40 is at 19,215. 19,215 is my take profit, and as always, my Italian princess is with me on this trade, and we are aiming with this trade $1,400. Woo! We have some newbies here, new traders. Nice, nice. Mina, welcome. Welcome, Bob. Daniel, as always, giving us the pleasure joining to our live trading session. Gabriel, welcome. Hello, Jen. Long time to see you. Kehinder, welcome. Layla, new one. Layla, welcome. Also, Laura and Megan. Megan was yesterday the first time here. And Mina is also here, just joined us. Rachel, hello Rachel, we talked this morning a bit. So Sehet, hello, I hope I'm telling your names correct. If not, just let me know. Simon, welcome. So we have a nice start. Let's see. I see that Italy 40 jumped a bit further down, but it's okay. We need a bit more time. Hello, George. Welcome. So, guys, for all of you newbies, if you have any kind of question, something shouldn't be clear, then just use our chat function. Ask whatever you want on the chat function, and once we will try to reply to it as soon as possible. So, let's go. Italy 41st trade still needs a bit time to pay off the spreads. As you know, once we open our position, we still have the spreads to go. In general, all the European assets, they had a bit of struggle this morning. They are struggling a bit this morning. Let me see on DAX if this is a pullback or if this is a reversal. Let me see. It looks like a reversal, guys. It looks like a reversal, but there is still a bit of price to go down. Guys, on DAX, I will put a pending order. I'm putting a pending order on DAX. Let me see a bit more. If I look on DAX on the 5 minutes chart, we are looking right now to the DAX Germany 30. On a 5 minutes chart, it looks like a pullback. What does this mean? We have a downtrend. Now we have a pullback and it will continue to drop. But if I look at the 15 minutes charts, it looks like a reversal, but there is still some pips to go for the reversal. That's why what I will do is I will short DAX until this level over here, and then we will see and check if we will go long. This is what we will do, guys. Get ready for it. So we go now short on DAX. We just entered a short position, and don't forget, this is just for a very narrow time frame, because we are expecting here on DAX a reversal. So we will put also our take profit accordingly narrow. We are putting our take profit on DAX at 11,000. Hello, Chloe. Chloe just joined us here. Welcome. We are getting more and more nice. Okay, I'm putting here my take profit at 11,000. 11,470. 11,470 is my take profit on DAX. I entered a short position. Let me write it down. I'm short on DAX. For all the newbies, DAX is Germany 30. On our platform, you will find DAX as Germany 30. The underlying asset is called DAX, the German index with the biggest 30 companies. So, short on DAX, here we go. I entered at 11,481.93 and my take profit is at 11,470. There we go. This is my DAX trade. And as I said, here we are expecting on the 5 minutes chart, it looks like a pullback. And that's why we put a narrow take profit of just 120 points. Just of 120 points. And, well, I put my take profit a bit higher than the daily low. This is the daily low, guys. And I put it a bit higher because it's easier to break through. It's difficult here. The daily low will be a support level and it will face difficulties to go below. That's why. But in general, when we check DAX on the 15 minutes chart, we might see a reversal. However, so let's go to the next one. We have a DAX position, we have a Italy 40 position. Let's check also France 40. Guys, the same picture is also on France 40. I see the same picture here also on France 40, guys. On CAC. The platform name is France 40. It's the same picture as on DAX. I see a strong drop. On a 5 minutes chart, I get a signal that it will continue to drop, but on higher time frames, I see a reversal. So I will write it down and check. We'll enter later on and see how the market moves. UK 100. We are looking forward to see the decision of Theresa May today. As you know, she said she might resign today. Another one. However, let's go to our most interesting asset for this week. Daniel, you say she can go. Well. So on oil, as you know, oil is one of our most guys, oil has a very nice setup. We go long on oil. Wow, that's nice. We have a clear pattern over here. We have a clear pattern on oil. We just went long on oil. Okay, let me see. What is my take profit on oil? On oil, my take profit is at, we are here, let me see, this is the MA 200. Okay, on oil, I will go up to 63.900. 95. 95. That's the take profit I put on oil, guys. Not 63, 62. 62, because we are trading at 62 right now. It's directly on MA 200. It's a small profit which we are aiming with this trade, guys. It's a small profit, but if we see that it moves higher than the MA 200, we go further. The MA 200, it's a very strong support or resistance level according to from which direction the market comes, and we see how it will go and react. We put our take profit. Let me write that down as well. Oil, we are long, and we entered at 62.911, almost paid off the spread. Nice one. And my take profit is at, yes, it's a good take profit, 62.995. So we put already 3 trades in the morning. There we go. There we go. We paid off oil trade, and we are very close. Our green light switched on. That's nice. That's nice. So for all of you newbies, tell me after these 3 trades that we put if that's clear or not. By the way, we closed this morning 1 gold trade. We closed this morning 1 gold trade. We made $1,500 on that gold trade. So Italy 40 and tax, they struggle a bit. You see, this is Italy 40. They struggle a bit, but it's okay. We will get there. We will get there. As you know, we had also earning release period during. We had also an earning release period here during the. Looks good, guys. We might enter also here gold. We had also earning release in Europe, and the releases were devastating, guys. They were really, really bad. And because they were very bad, today all the European indices, they are pointing downwards, but they opened very low accordingly to the days before. The week before they opened today quite low, but we will see how they react. So guys, get ready for gold. I'm getting ready for a gold trade. I will open most probably soon a gold trade. I want to buy gold. I will not go with my full exposure. I will just go with 30 lots on gold. It's traded at 33 right now. If the buy price drops below 34, you can see here the buy price. For all of you newbies, this is the buy price, this is the sell price. I'm waiting the buy price to go below 34, and let me see. Looks interesting. Looks interesting, guys. However, so I will now, well, let's check the ADX as well. Let's check the ADX. Our ADX is pointing an uptrend. I'm going long. Just opened a long position on gold. Hello, Torstein. I just opened a long position on gold, guys, and our take profit on gold is at 1,234.90. 34.90. It's $1,350, which I'm aiming. Guys, this is, we start this week, we make small profits or small take profits. We put small take profits this week because of the interest rate decision, which we are expecting now on Thursday afternoon, and the markets are a bit tight. That's why we don't expect the big movements these days, and that's why we put low take profits. So let me write down also my gold trade. I am long on gold. I entered at 1,234.45, and my take profit is at 1,234.90. Here we go. This is our fourth trade for today. We just closed one gold trade this morning, and we are looking forward to close also the remaining ones. Let's have a short look. Here we went short on gold. It's struggling a bit. We went long on Italy 40. It's getting there. We need to pay off the spread. We went long on oil. Here is our oil trade. Oil is going steady. It's going steady long. It will take a bit time, but it's steady. Gold is moving nicely. Look at gold, guys. Look at gold. Almost paid off the spread. Almost paid off the spread, and we will get there very soon. Already making us some money. Gold is making us some money. So don't forget, today we have the midterm elections in the States. Midterm elections in the States today. Guys, midterm elections, what does this mean? This means volatility on the markets for us. So throughout the day, we will all day long have an eye on USA 100 and USA 30, but the highest volatility I'm expecting later on in the afternoon, when the states wake up. They are still sleeping, as you know, so we don't see much movement, but later on we will see definitely a movement. Guys, on gold we are making $500. On gold we are making $500. DAX started to turn in our direction. $600 on gold. Anybody traded gold? No. Guys, for all of you newbies, if something is not clear, you just tell on chat and we try to clarify it for you. Okay, Daniel is following on gold. We are making already $900. $990 on gold. very soon. Oil and gold. Yeah. Daniel is trading oil and gold. Nice one. Oil will take some time. It's a slow moving asset currently. Crude oil, yes. At gold, I see it coming very soon. We will have some ching ching here. Ching ching. Looking forward. So I know that Kyriakos opened some positions. Just give me 1 more minute, Kyriakos, and we will give you directly a pass. Okay, what are the symbols for gold and oil? Kehinda is asking me. So for gold, it's XAU USD. It's for gold, it's XAU USD. And oil is US oil. These are the two symbols. You can see them also here. And if you click on any of the symbols, if you go on any one of the symbols, you will see directly here what it is, the underlying asset. For example, XAG is silver, or UK oil is Brent oil. You're welcome, Kehinda. So I'm passing now to Kyriakos and checking our trades. Slowly they are developing, not big movements due to the tensions on the markets, but soon we will come with some take profit. So Kyriakos, it's...
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So guys, the last update I have for you is that I have initiated long positions on pound Aussie, but for the moment it seems that the price is losing the MA of 200 periods. If it continues to fall down, then I will initiate a mathematical hedge short positions. Okay, Rachel is asking me how to use this Excel spreadsheet to have a mathematical hedge on your Forex trading. If your initial position is 0.27, this means that if you reverse for the first time from long to short, let's say, then it will become 0.58, Rachel, as you can see. You can use this Excel spreadsheet to use the mathematical hedge trading technique that I'm using, guys, if I reverse positions, so that you know the exact position size. So is it okay, Rachel? I answered your question. The next, if it is your first reversal position, then if you start with 0.27, the next one will be at 0.58. And the second, the third, and so on. So, what do I have for the moment? It seems that, let me explain the philosophy of my trading. Let me explain the philosophy. You are very welcome, Rachel. So let me explain the philosophy of my trading. We have a classical example here on Aussie dollar. Yesterday I have entered short positions on Aussie dollar at the price level you can see. But eventually Aussie dollar yesterday started to move to the upside. So today, instead of hitting stop loss, I have reversed my positions to long ones, okay, with a calculated mathematical hedge position size that you can find on the Excel. If my position size is 10 lots, you can see that my first reversal position is 21.49 or 21.50. So you see that if you start with 10 lots, these are the positions that you might need required to be open. Now, what I suggest, if you would like to follow me, check your account balances. For every Forex pair that you start, follow me. If you start with 0.01, you might need to enter a position of 3.58 lots. So you need to check your account balances and make sure that you have the margin for this position. If you don't, you need to upgrade your training programs, guys, so that, or you need to proceed with a deposit in your accounts so that you can follow me on that. So this Excel now just calculates the next reversal position size. It doesn't give you the level of entry, it doesn't give you the stop loss, it doesn't give you the TP. You get that straight from the LTR. And it is very important to attend the LTR because you need the entry levels if you would like to follow us. If you try and do it on your own, most probably you will burn your account. Why? There are particular entry levels to start this system. It's not just simple, okay, I open the platform, I start pushing the buttons, and if they reverse, I reverse. No, it's not that simple. You need to attend the LTR, okay? That's another thing that I would like to tell you. Now, if you would like to see how to optimize now this strategy based on your trading needs, then you need to come to a one-to-one session, guys. And also, we can teach other strategies that are most suitable to you. No need to remind you that this month until the end of October, we tend to specialize on the one-to-one sessions on 3 things. Checklist preparations. This is an example of a checklist that I'm personally using, and as you can see, is not only for Forex, is for indices as well, is for commodities, and it is optimized. So checklist preparation. Elif, is this something urgent? Okay, we'll go straight to Elif and then you come back to me.
Hey guys, ching ching, we hit take profit again on gold. We hit again a take profit on gold, and we increased our profits to $2,829 today. We hit again a take profit with $1,350. Now on gold, I'm waiting again for a pullback to enter again a trade on gold. So in the meantime, when we are waiting, I will put a pending order, so we will not miss the possibility. I'm putting a pending order on gold. Let me see. My pending order on gold is at 1,234.45. Here we go. Oh, no, not that short. I will put it a bit lower. Wait. Not 45. 45 is not a good price. At 30. At 30. I put it at 30. Come on. Accept it. Come on. I think it might not. Come on. Yes, it accepted it. So I put my pending order at 1,230, and we see how it will work. Thank you, Kyriakos. It's back to you.
All right, great. So let us see what the trades are doing, guys. So for the moment, the buy position on Aussie dollar is making me some money, it's going up and down. So I'm patiently waiting to see how it will react, and if we will break this daily top, today's top actually, we will move to the upside. Moreover, as you can see, I'm long on Euro Yen. It didn't move so far. Currently is where we have entered our mathematical hedge long position. Today trade buy Euro Dollar is still where we have bought it, more or less. Remember that if you wish to follow me on any of these positions, it's at your own discretion. And it's better to follow me on trades which have a minus sign. If you do that, it means that you will get a better price than what I did, and your reward to risk ratios will be much better than mine. So if you see two positions on the same pair, have in mind that we are currently standing on the largest position of the two. So we are, for example, you see, let's say 1, 2, 3 positions on dollar CAD. For the moment, I'm long dollar CAD. So is it a good idea to follow me now? Preferably not, because this position is at a plus territory. So if you would like to follow me, you either follow me when I reverse, or you just need to wait for the largest position to go into a negative territory. For example, if you would like to go long the kiwi, you can do it, because as you can see, currently my biggest buy position is losing me money. So if you follow me now, you will get a better price than what I did. Now, dollar CHF is making some money, dollar yen is making money, Aussie dollar is making us money, pound yen is making us money. Let's see pound yen. We are very close to hit our TP on pound yen. We have shorted pound yen today in the morning, as you can see, and we haven't reversed at all. So we are getting ready, most probably, to hit our TPs. In order for me to reverse short to long positions, I definitely need to see an upside breakout of today's highs. But it seems that for the moment, the 148 round number will today act as a strong intraday psychological round number resistance level for pound yen. Let's move on to pound dollar. Pound dollar, as you can see, has now recovered and retraced back to the short-term MAs, MA10 and the middle Bollinger Band. They are acting as a small support tool. Now, in order for me to reverse to short positions on pound dollar, I need to see this decline to continue and reach approximately the daily lows. If we do that, then I will reverse to short positions. Moving on to the kiwi, I have reversed this morning to long positions, a very strong upside move. It's very bullish today, the kiwi, guys. All we need to confirm that is to break above today's highs, and if we see a close above it, then most probably the pair will try and test the 0.67 round number. Moving on to dollar CAD, we have long positions on dollar CAD. It's a very nice setup for the moment. We have a clustering of the MAs in a short support area, so this means that a violent move is expected. The Bollinger Bands have narrowed too much, so get ready for an explosion on dollar CAD. Since the price trading above the MA of 200 periods, I'm expecting the explosion to be to the upside, and if we see that, then soon we will hit our TP on our long positions on dollar CAD. Moreover, we have also reversed to short positions since yesterday, guys, on dollar CHF. Now, on dollar CHF short positions, I think we will get some time to have this trade developed, and the reason is because we have this gentleman here, which is called MA 200 periods. If we break below that and we make new daily lows, then our short positions will have a very nice probability of hitting our TP. So for the moment, we are patiently monitoring dollar CHF, and we will see when it approaches MA 200 periods if it will break it to the downside or not. And the last one, we have entered a short position on dollar yen this morning. We got it at a very good price, as you can see, almost close to the daily highs. So this is very good. The price has already lost the MA50, and our TP is very close to the MA of 200 periods. So I'm expecting dollar yen for the moment, if it continues to go down, to test the MA of 200 periods. So that's all I have for the moment. We can see that how, again, on pound Aussie, we see for a lot of times how the price reacts when it approaches MA of 200 periods. We have entered a long position here. The price is testing now the MA of 200 periods. We haven't reversed. Let's see if the market will hold and continue the upside movement to hit our TP. If now we see a penetration to the downside of today's low candle, this one, then automatically I'm initiating a mathematical hedge, short position, and we will see a sudden downfall, most probably towards the area of 1.80, which will act again since it is a round number, as a strong support, psychological support level for pound Aussie. So very interesting market conditions, although we don't have the movements we would like to have for the moment. We don't have the volatility, but we will get there. Currently, I haven't closed yet any single position for today. So I'm patiently monitoring the markets, and most probably we will hit some TPs today, guys. Don't forget that also we have yesterday's positions continuing today, and maybe we will continue on some of them for tomorrow as well. So all is needed is patience and be careful and manage correct your money and risk management strategies. So how many of you are following me on any of these trades? How many of you have traded Forex today? How many of you have the patience to keep the positions overnight and in order to see them develop today? How many of you guys? So let's see who is also with us. I see that Torstein joined us. Simon joined us since the morning. Megan, Leila. You have done dollar CAD. Dave, you are short on dollar CAD. You are long on dollar CAD, right? Dave, have you opened a long position on dollar CAD? Okay. Make sure you use the same stop loss and TP if you decide to follow me as I do. And also be careful. What is your initial position size, Dave? What is your initial position size? What is the position size of the trade you have opened? 0.05. Okay, using this Excel, if your initial position size is 0.05 and we need to reverse again, then the next position size will be 0.11. Okay, Dave, make sure you use this Excel spreadsheet. Do you have this from your account manager, Dave? If you don't, contact your personal account manager to provide it to you. This Excel actually calculates the exact next reversal position size. So for your case, if the initial position size is 0.05, you start with 0.05. If you hear me saying, or you see in the chat room, we reverse positions to short dollar CAD, then you need to go short with position size of 0.11. If you hear me again saying I reversed again to long positions, then you need to go with a long of 0.18. Okay, guys, get ready for some profits. Excellent, excellent. So get ready to hit some take profits. It's a long time. We haven't hit yet for the past 3 hours. So get ready to hit the first take profit of the day, and it's going to be a short position on pound yen. The pair is 10 pips away from our TP. Green lights, as you can see, is another straightforward position, but as I said many times, we cannot party unless we actually hit our take profit. So the first take profit of the day, it seems that it will be on pound yen, $3,090. As you can see, I haven't closed any positions since yesterday, guys. So it's a long time I haven't closed any positions, but here we go. Here we come. Just 7 pips away from the take profit of pound yen. As you can see, the bid price has almost reached our take profit level, but because we are short, we need the ask price to reach our take profit level. This is just how many pips? 8 pips away, guys, and most probably we will get that. Of course, as I said, we cannot be 100% certain unless we hit it. So let's see. Take profit on DAX. Take profit on DAX. Eliv, would you like to update us on that?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, guys. So, yes, we hit take profit on DAX, guys. We hit take profit. As you remember, I told you that we will go short, and then shortly after, we might reverse our position. Right now, we went short, and I don't want to reverse it yet. It has a very strong down move, as you can see, and I will continue going short on that. Let me see. I'm selling again. Just sold again. As you can see, it's such a strong move down, and it's on a very old support level. You know, it broke through the previous support levels, and now it's on an old support level. If this level will be broken through it, we will aim the 11,400. Let me see. We will aim the 11,400. We are already in money with our DAX position. I will go now 11,405. 11,405 is my take profit on this position, and we are already making $200. We are already making $200. I have also a pending order on gold. Kyriakos has an update.
Okay, guys, we are very close now to hit take profit on pound yen. Oh, no, it started to go up again. Elif, we are back to you. Forza left.
No problem, Kyriakos. No problem. All good. Let me see. So we are short on DAX. We just opened a short position on DAX. We will keep that position until the afternoon session. I put here my take profit to the next level. And we see. I will keep you updated how we will proceed with that. Our oil trade needs also still a bit time. Let me see. Also, our oil trade needs a bit of time. Okay, yes. For a moment, I was like, okay, what was the next thing I wanted to inform you guys? And I remembered. So basically, gold, as you know, I have a pending order on gold, which we have over here. We have a pending order, and anytime, just now, it just got triggered. Our pending order on gold just got triggered. Right now, we just opened our pending order on gold. So we are again long on gold, and my take profit is on gold. 1,234.90. This is my take profit for this position. And with this position, I'm aiming $1,950. $1,950 I'm aiming with this position, guys. Yep, come on. Again, here, you know, gold, for all of you who are for a while with me, gold, in the last few weeks, gold trades were around 1,238 was the highest level, and then it was dropping, and now it's at 33, 1,233. That's why I'm putting my take profits a bit tight. I explained to you, and continue to follow this this strategy. We put our take profits tight, and we hit our take profits and see how it will react. We closed this morning already 2 gold positions and 1 DAX position, increased our profits so far to 3,510. Our daily expectation is around $15,000. It's around $15,000. Let's see how it will go on. So let's check Italy 40. Italy 40. Come on, Italy 40. Give us a kick up. So this is a pullback, a definite pullback on DAX. So this is a clear pullback, guys. And if anybody didn't open with me a DAX position, soon it will be a good time to do. And I might increase my exposure. Let me wait a bit more. Let's move it a bit more and I will sell DAX again. Let's put a pending order for DAX. I'm putting a pending order for DAX. It's a sell limit because I'm expecting the price to drop. And according to my analysis, it will go up to 11,460. And then it will drop. My take profit will be here on this trade at 11,429.50. So this is my pending order on DAX. I will increase with this my take profit, guys. My exposure. I have currently an open position on DAX. I'm expecting that the DAX price will recover, will pull back until 11,460, and over there I will enter again with a short trade and we see. So I have a sell limit for DAX at 11,460, guys. A sell limit for DAX. Okay, so let's see. I have a sell limit for DAX. My Italy 40 position is not giving me a nice setup, but we will see. No, I didn't. Yeah, Kehanda, I didn't put a stop loss. I let my positions develop. Have an update.
Okay, guys, get ready to hit TPs on pound yen. A sudden decline occurred the last 1 minute, so let's put the 1 minute chart on pound yen. There we go. No, let me put the 1 minute chart. We had a sudden drop to the downside. Oh, it's going up again. It's going up again. So it has tried for the last minutes to hit our TP, but it needs more time. So Elif, sorry for the interruption. Next time I will close the position and then interrupt. Get ready for a take profit on pound yen.
No problem, Kyriakos. Anytime, it's nothing important. Just we had a question by Kehande. He was asking me, asking me about stop losses. No, I didn't put any stop loss. I'm waiting my positions to develop, the design to develop. And when I see that my trade is moving a bit outside of the target, then I react accordingly. I see. But I'm informing you about my actions. For example, Italy 40. Let's go to Italy 40 and I will explain. Is moving against me. As you know, I have a long position on Italy 40, is moving against me. From this $3,000, $1,500 are the spread. However, it's currently moving against me. But since there is no clear trend that this move will go further down, I don't need for myself to put a stop loss, because one small spike might trigger my stop loss on this kind of movement. It's ranging right now, and will cause the closure of my position and why I should accept the loss of $3,000, for example, if this movement, if the decision of a buy was correct. It was just one spike which blowed me out. That's why I didn't put a stop loss, but I have to say this is my way of trading. Yeah, if you feel unsecure, and I'm sure as a newbie you will be unsecure, don't do that. I'm very clear on that. It's my way. I know the movements of the trades. If you want to understand a bit more detailed when I put a stop loss and when not, we can always arrange a one-to-one session and I will try to explain you in detail. But for me, I don't have the need currently to put a stop loss. So for take profits, it's something else. I'm putting always a take profit. Here now on DAX, Rachel was asking me for the take profit on DAX. My take profit on DAX is at 11,450. 11,450. And as you know, I have a pending order which didn't got triggered yet. And with my pending order, my take profit is a bit different. I will see how my take profit is. Let's get it triggered and then we will decide. So, hit.
This time we will hit. We are just 5 pips away from the TP. The 80 level has been broken, guys. So already the price is trading below our take profit level. That's because we need to cover the spread. We are just a few pips away from our TP. 792 is the price. 748 is our take profit. And I believe that this time we will get it, guys. We are talking about $3,100 more or less, and we will soon hit the TP. Now, the reason why the pair is trading there and is not falling further down is because we have the lower Bollinger Band, and after a sharp decline towards the lower Bollinger Band, usually the price finds a support. But I believe that we will soon break that support and hit our TP. So that's all I have for the moment. It's green for the past 15 minutes. It's a matter of time to hit. I haven't reversed any single position, so let me go again through the trades for this morning session, since we are approaching towards the end of the morning session. For the moment, I have a long position on Aussie dollar, a long position on Euro Yen, a long position on Euro Dollar, a long position on Pound Aussie, a short position on Pound Yen, a long position on Pound Dollar. On the Kiwi, I have a long position. On Dollar CAD, I have a long position. On Dollar CHF, I am short. And last, I have a short position on Dollar Yen. Currently, the profits for the moment, as you can see, are 0, 0, 0, and 0. So we haven't closed any trades yet, but we will. We are getting there, and if we close, we will make above $15,000 to $20,000 today. But we need to be patient about that. Just keep calm and follow Trademy, guys. That's as simple as that. So that's all for me. I don't know if Elif, do you have any further updates for this morning session? So guys, thank you for staying with us. You will be monitoring the screen, and if I have any developments or any alternations or any changes regarding the positions we have currently open, as you know, we will go live and inform you about them. A few educational webinars will follow. These webinars are exclusive for the LTR participants. We don't provide any notes or recordings, so you need to take your personal notes when you watch them. And if you have any questions during the webinars, you can use the chat room to ask us any questions or clarifications regarding the webinars, or anything else you want, and we will be more than glad to answer your questions using the chat room. Thank you very much for being with us. We are monitoring now pound yen. We are very close to hit our TP. However, we haven't yet, but we will get there. Thank you very much for being with us. We will see you in approximately 4.5 hours from now. Remember, the US session starts now at 2:30 p.m. UTC time. Thank you, guys. See you in a short while.
So guys, our pending order on DAX got triggered. We got our pending order got triggered on DAX right now. And let's see how fast we will hit take profit. We increased our exposure now, and we will see how fast we will move on. So stay with us.
So getting ready, guys, to hit the TP on pound yen, just 2 pips away, $3,100. We are just 2 pips away from the take profit. Let's see if we will manage and hit it this time. So just 2 pips away. Come on. No, it went up again. We missed it by 2 pips. No, guys, we will wait. We will wait and see if we will hit it again. Thank you. Okay, guys, we just closed eventually our position on pound yen. First position for the day, guys. The important thing is that we have started. That's the important thing. And we started with a $3,092 of profit. So stand by for more. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. We see a sudden decline on the pairs, and we are getting ready to hit take profits on euro yen and on pound Aussie. Pound is getting hammered the last 15 minutes. This is the pound dollar chart, you see. But as you can see, we are getting ready to hit TPs on dollar yen and on pound Aussie as well. So get ready, guys. So far we have closed one position, $3,092. Let's get this number to above $10,000, and I believe we can do it in a matter of minutes if this decline continues on the pounds. Remember that I have reversed to short positions on pound Aussie, I have reversed to short positions on pound dollar, I have reversed also to short positions on euro yen. Currently, all the reversals are making money. This means you see euro yen is making money, pound Aussie is making money, pound dollar short is making money. So it means that we observe a huge movement in the markets. So we are getting ready. Look at pound dollar, how it declined the last 15 minutes, and the sell-off continues. So shortly we will expect to hit take profit. Also on pound dollar, it has lost the MA50 and is now most probably trying to approach the MA of 200 periods. Our take profit is well above that. So I don't believe we will have any delays or difficulties in hitting our TP. As I said, the important thing is to make a start. If we make a start and close one position, then all the others usually follow. So get ready, guys, for a take profit on pound Aussie. Let me go straight on pound Aussie. As you can see, it's very close to our TP. However, we need a sudden drop to the upside around that level to cover the spread and eventually close our short positions on pound Aussie. You see now the system that I'm using. The biggest short hedging position is recovering the losses of the long, and we will be in the money shortly for pound Aussie as well. The same goes for pound dollar, and we will see how the other trades we will do. So we are monitoring the pound Aussie chart. We are monitoring there we go. We have just also reversed just now to short positions on euro dollar. So we have just shorted euro dollar, as you can see here, at 1.13922, stop loss 1.14492, and TP 1.13572. So we see a sudden sell-off on the euro, on the pound. Now euro dollar has approached and tested the MA of 200 periods. If it is broken to the downside, then it's a free fall. There is absolutely nothing to hold euro dollar from declining further and eventually hitting our TPs. So that's all I have for the moment. We see a sudden decline on the euro and the pound, a dollar strengthening across the board, and the yen. So yen strengthening. So we will see how the pairs will develop, and of course we will update you accordingly. So the latest development is that I have shorted euro dollar hedged position, and also pound Aussie is declining fast in order to hit our TP. Let's switch to pound Aussie. There we go. The pair has clearly lost its MA of 200 periods, and shortly I believe that we will get our TP on that trade as well. So stand by, guys. Really nice movements today, and we will see how we will do. Thank you. Okay, guys, get ready to hit TPs on pound Aussie. We are just 3 pips away, less than 3 pips away from our take profit. Let's see if we will hit our take profit on pound Aussie. It's declining nicely. We are very close now to hit TP. Let's see if we will manage and increase that amount to above $4,000. We are getting there, just 3 pips away. 2 pips now. It needs some time. There we go, guys. We have just closed our pound Aussie positions, and we have increased our daily profits so far for the moment with pound yen and pound Aussie trades to $3,556. However, I believe that that's just the beginning. We are getting ready to hit dollar yen take profit, and also pound dollar is declining nicely, as you can see. And also dollar CAD is rising nicely. So we are getting there, guys. Get ready. I think we will have more TPs today, and we will do just fine. So just to sum up, we have closed pound yen short positions, and we have also closed pound Aussie short positions. Current daily profit realized $3,556. Stand by for more, guys.
So guys, we are very, very close to hit take profit on gold. Look at this move. And there we go. We just hit take profit on gold, $1,950, $1,950. We increased our profits to 5,460 so far, and we are now focusing on DAX. We have 2 positions open on DAX, guys. Let me see on gold. I will put again a pending order because I'm expecting on gold again a pullback. Let me see. And then we have to decide also what we do with Italy 40. Our loss is quite big. I will see. I'm expecting still some. Moves, and then I might accept the loss on Italy 40. Let me see how I will handle Italy 40. But on gold, I will put a pending order at a buy limit at, let me see at which end I entered before. I entered 25. Yes, this is what I will do again. I will enter at 1,234.25. A buy limit, and my take profit will be again at 1,234.95. So yes, Daniel, it's still climbing. You see, it's trying these support level several times for the last few weeks. You see here, here, here again. So I believe it will try once again. That's why I put a pending order, a buy limit, which means that I'm expecting now gold to drop a bit, a very narrow drop. It wouldn't make sense to open a position for that because of the spread. But I'm expecting to drop, and when it drops, I put a pending order to enter and get the money in. I'm expecting it to drop, and there we go. We see already a certain drop. You see that as well. And then it will try again this high. This is what we do. Actually, we use the same movement again and again to get money. Isn't it nice? It's nice. Our current problem is, as you know, Italy 40. Somehow it's making me problems. Italy 40 is making me problems today. Let me see. I might accept my loss over here, but I see still a move up. Also on the half-an-hour chart, I see a movement up. That's why I will keep it a bit more and then see how I will react. The nice asset which is moving nicely for us is DAX. As you know, we increased our take profit, our exposure on DAX. And yes, we are making right now on the one position $300, and on the other we still pay off the spread, but it will get there. So guys, we have a pending order on gold. We have two running trades on DAX, one running trade on oil and Italy 40. Let's see how it will move on. So, see you later, guys.
So good afternoon, I'm back again. From all of our positions, the one that is approaching our TP, as you can see, is pound dollar long position. We are less than 10 pips away from our take profit, a nice recovery of the pound, although in the morning we observed a hammering of the pound. It has nicely recovered to the upside, a V-reversal pattern on pound dollar. And as you can see, we are getting ready to hit our TP. We are just 9 pips away from the TP. The pair is developing very well. The hedge, the mathematical hedge long position, if it continues to go up and reaches our TP level at 1.30994, just a bit lower than 1.31 round number, will soon recover the losing positions and we will be in the money for pound dollar. So you are observing my screen. We are getting ready to hit take profit on pound dollar for the moment. And I will let you know, guys, and go live if we manage and do that. So we are monitoring closely the pound dollar chart. Stand by. Thank you. Get ready to hit take profits on pound dollar. Green lights. We are just a few pips away from our take profit, just 3 pips away from our take profit on pound dollar. Pound dollar is going nicely to the upside, and we are very close to hit take profit. If we hit take profit on that trade, then we might increase the profits for the day to above $6,000. So we are monitoring the pound dollar chart. We are very, very, very close to hit our TP. And we saw green lights also on dollar yen again today. But I believe that the first trade that it would close for the moment is pound dollar, is getting very close to hit our TP, guys. Just less than 3 pips, less than 2 pips now. We are getting ready to hit TPs on pound dollar. our TP is close to a round number, 131, but I believe we will get it. We are in the money already from our long pound dollar positions. So we are just a few pips away from our TP. Finally, the markets have decided to move just a few hours before our afternoon session starts. So you are monitoring my screen, guys, green lights, and we will soon, I believe, we will soon hit take profit on pound dollar. We will see. Thank you. So we are monitoring the pound dollar chart. It's very close to hit our TP, guys. Also, dollar yen is approaching our TP. It's looking good for the moment. So we will see. We are just 4 pips away from our take profit. Let's see.
Guys, do you hear me now? Yes, great. So our gold trade got triggered, guys. Gold trade got, thank you, Nuno. So gold, as you remember, we had a pending order on gold. It got triggered. Very nice, and we will get soon. We almost paid off the spread. Okay, now it's turning back. Also, our DAX trade behaves very well. We have, as you remember, 2 positions on DAX. They go nicely. We have now a gold trade. Let me write it down. We are long on gold. We entered at, our pending order got triggered at 1,234.25, and our take profit is at 1,234.95. We are expecting with this move a profit of $3,500. $3,500 is our take profit here. On DAX, we are making right now $700, guys. $700 on DAX, as you can see. And soon we want more. We have also still from this morning oil position open, and now we are on profit with oil as well. We had a move up, a very narrow move up. As you remember, on this oil trade we were losing at some point $2,000. We didn't close the trade because it was for me very clear that this is just a short pullback, and I sticked on the trade, and now it reversed. And we will hit very soon our take profit. So these are the trades so far. gold, Italy 40, DAX, and oil, and we see how it will develop. So guys, stay with us. See you in a short while.
Okay guys, a lot of volatility is observed on the pound for the past few minutes. As we can see, we had a sudden drop. Now is recovering back up again, and I believe we will hit take profit shortly. Elif has an update. Let's go straight to Elif.
Guys, we hit take profit on our oil position. Yes, we hit take profit on oil since this morning. Now it's our second trade today on oil, $420. Oil had just a jump, and in the next pullback, we will enter again. Thank you, Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Elif. A nice update. Let's go back to pound dollar, guys. As I said, I observe a lot of volatility on the pound for the past 30 minutes, ups and downs all the time. Green and red lights have went on and off a lot of times for the past 30 minutes. But we see that the pair is doing great and it's approaching our take profit. Let's see if we will manage and hit that. You see that nervousness on the candle, guys? If we will see it better if we switch to the 1 minute chart. Lots of spikes, ups and downs the past 15 minutes. You see that spike? That's an almost 20 pip spike in the 1 minute chart. So a lot of volatility and a lot of nervousness is observed on the pound dollar pair. Don't forget that May is struggling to get in agreement with her team for a Brexit deal. So we are expecting volatility on pound dollar, and as you can see, we are marginally close to hit our RTP. So this is the 1 minute chart. Big candles indicates nervousness, indicates volatility. It's not like the morning where everything was smooth. The last 15-30 minutes is going up and down very fast. So I'm closely monitoring the trades and I will update you guys. Thank you. Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon. It's time for our afternoon session, guys. Welcome to another afternoon session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking. Hello, Nuno, and welcome to the afternoon session. It's Kyriakos Harilaou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy, guys. A very quiet day for me here today. I have 22 positions open today in Forex, but I have only managed to close just 2 trades, guys. Just 2 trades since the morning. We are in a small profit, $3,500. But let's see how the afternoon session will be. So, who is with us today? I see that with us this afternoon is Anne-Marie. Good afternoon, Anne-Marie. How is Sweden? Here is still summer, guys, approximately 26 degrees. So, the weather is very good here. Hello, Pasanta. Welcome to our afternoon session. How are you today? Hello, Bob. Hello, Daniel, always here with us. Hello, Fanos, another loyal student with us. Welcome, Fanos. Hello, Gabriel. Gabriel, good afternoon and welcome to the afternoon session. Nice to have you on board since the morning. Hello, Leila. Hello, Liz, Laura. Hello, Mary. Good afternoon. Hello, Megan. Hello, Mina. Hello, Natalie. You are newcomers. Welcome to our live afternoon session here at Trademy.com. Good afternoon, Remach. How are the markets treating you today? Have you traded any Forex pairs? Hello, Nuno. Hello, Rachel. Good afternoon, Rachel. Good afternoon, Simon. And good afternoon, Torstein. So, lots of people in our trading room today. Hello, nice to have you on board. Always a pleasure, guys, to see that you are participating in our live trading room chat room. So if you would like to communicate with us, please feel free to type your questions in the chat room. So what do we have for the moment? Very few things have changed since our morning session. I still haven't closed any positions, but the market has started to move slowly in my direction, especially if the weakening US dollar momentum continues. What do I mean by that? I have a long position on Aussie dollar. You see that the pair opened at this price here, then climbed to the upside, and then for the past 3 hours, trading range, which means that still we need to wait for our positions to develop. Euro yen, we have reversed to long positions. We see a nice V reversal. We see here a nice failure swing bottom. That's the A, that's the B, that's the C. The failure swing bottom was completed upwards. That's a bullish trend reversal signal. For those of you who are in advanced training programs, you will know what I'm talking about. That's a failure swing bottom. It's a bullish trend reversal signal once the B level, the top level I'm showing here, is penetrated upwards on a closing basis. So Euro Yen is developing well, and you can see that if we break today's highs again to the upside, then it's a matter of time to hit our TP. However, we have today's highs and the upper Bollinger Band acting as a serious resistance level, but we will see. Moreover, we have reversed also to long positions on euro dollar. You see similar patterns. Again, I see here a failure swing bottom completed to the upside, but here it was also the MA of 200 periods, which I repeat, it's a very important support level for intraday traders. So as soon as the price climbed here, we reversed to long positions. We are trading almost at the daily highs. Now we have new daily highs. We will see how this pair will react when it reaches, and if it reaches, the support area of the short-term MAs, MA10, middle Bollinger Band, and the MA50. So for euro dollar, this zone now 114.04 to 114.16, it acts like a short-term support zone. Moving on pound dollar, we almost hit our take profit. We missed that by 2 pips. There it is, our take profit, but we can see now that the pair is retracing to the downside, and again, it has approached the short-term support zone for intraday traders, which is the MA10, the middle Bollinger Band, and the MA50. So we can say that we have 3 weapons on our side supporting the price: short-term area of from 130.45 up to 130.69. So we have a good support area zone on pound dollar supporting our long positions for the moment. Moving on, the Kiwi trade, similarities with Aussie dollar, a huge jump during the morning and then a bit of a consolidation. But we can see again that on the Kiwi we have the support zone of the short-term MAs, the lower Bollinger Band, and the MA50 supporting our long positions. We will see again how this trade will develop. Dollar CAD, we have reversed to long positions. Dollar CAD is acting very strange today. It was in a narrow trading range. We saw the upside movement almost approaching our TP, but then it has silent again. And just for you to imagine the daily range of dollar CAD, what is the daily range? High, low. We had a low of 130.96 and a high of 131.30. So 40 pips range, guys, and I'm trying to get 35 pips. I have to be very lucky to do that. So a very narrow trading range for dollar CAD, which is both a good and a bad thing. The bad thing is that we need to wait for the trade to develop. The good thing is that an explosion is getting ready, either to the downside or to the upside. However, technically speaking, and since the prices are still trading above the MA of 200 periods, we see a nice consolidation of the MAs. I think we will see an upside movement and eventually hit our TP. If not, and we break today's lows, then I have here my sell stop order to hedge positions and reverse them. Next one, dollar CHF has given up. We are short on dollar CHF. As we can see, the pair has given up the MA of 200 periods, and this is a good sign for us because it seems that the pair will continue its downside movement. Now is ranging for the past 1 hour in a very narrow trading range of 6, 7, 10 pips, as you can see here. And technically speaking, I'm waiting for a further decline on dollar CHF, a further downside correction. And the last trade that I have for the moment is a short position on dollar yen. We got it at a very nice price. Now the pair is trying to recover, but we have the obstacle now that is called as a resistance zone, MA50 and upper Bollinger Band. So it will be very interesting to see how this pair will react, and our take profit is very close to the MA of 200 periods. We will check and see accordingly how this trade will develop. I see that the leaf has just entered long positions on oil. So basically very little action on the forex pairs for the moment. Very little action. They are not moving for the moment, but things can change at any second. So how many of you are trading, guys, today forex? How many of you have followed me on any of the trades? How many of you are using the system that I'm using? I would love to know that. And also, if you have made money, share this with us. Even if you have positions that are not doing well and you would like to discuss them with me in forex positions, just type them in the chat room and we will have a nice discussion here in our live trading room. So regarding news announcements, we just have Joel's job openings coming out in approximately 40 minutes from now, towards the end of our trading session. Of course, we will stay live to see if they will have an impact in the markets. But apart from that, until the end of the session, we don't have any important announcements. However, tonight, those of you who have Aussie and Kiwi positions, you need to be alerted, guys. Very important news for the New Zealand dollar, for the Kiwi. We have employment change, we have unemployment rate, we have participation rate, and labor cost index. So very important announcements for the Kiwi later, 9:45 p.m. UTC time. So those of you who have positions on the Kiwi, and I think we have also positions on the Kiwi, we should be alerted and have our stop loss and TPs on place. Now, regarding tomorrow, we basically don't have any important announcements, but in the morning, we have some announcements in the afternoon around 3 o'clock p.m. UTC time regarding the Canadian dollar, but we will have a closer look about them tomorrow. Also, don't forget tomorrow that we have the midterm elections in the United States, which, based on their outcome, they are expected to cause some volatility on the pairs. Let me have a look on my best performing trade for the moment. Long positions, Euro Yen. Currently we are making around $11,000 on that. And we see that after a brief pause, Euro Yen now is trying to make new daily highs. A nice V recovery, a nice failure swing bottom completed upwards. So I'm monitoring Euro Yen and I will update you if I have any changes or if I close any positions with profits. So for the moment, very quiet day for me, just 2 trades. But we need to wait, guys. We need to be patient. So I'm passing on to Elif to explain more about her long oil position.
Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to the afternoon session. Yes, guys, it looks like a very, very nice and interesting afternoon so far. We increased our profits to $7,369. We just opened again an oil trade. As you remember, I told you this week oil will be our asset on focus. Mary, your long Italy 40 is making money. We closed it already. We hit take profit. We hit take profit on Italy 40 with $1,400. And then we opened another one sell position on Italy 40. But it's not performing very well, the sell position. So I see Mary. Sometimes not putting a take profit, you might be lucky, but it's better to put one, right, Mary? It's always better to put one. And I see that, yep, I see that on oil we are very close to hit take profit. Let me see. So we have also a position, we just opened also a position on gold. As you remember, we put a take profit in the morning, we put a pending order in the morning. It got triggered before half an hour, and now it's dropping strongly, gold, and I have to decide what we will do. Also on DAX, as you remember, we have two positions on DAX. We have two positions on DAX, and both we tried several times to hit our take profit. It didn't get to the point. It was always moving away. So I will adjust my take profit a bit. I took it a bit higher, my take profit, and now my take profit on gold is at 11,400. 32.06. This is my take profit. And on DAX, you see here this pullback. It will still go a bit higher. I guess it will reach the higher Bollinger Band, and then it will reverse. So leave it run. And then once we are in profit, we have to consider of closing our position here on DAX. It's pinched already since this morning 3 times that we had this move. But Italy 40, since Mary was mentioning it, Italy 40 is really an example which I would like to share with you guys. As you remember, we opened a buy position in the morning, and we were losing at some point on Italy 40, $5,000. At some point we were losing $5,000 on Italy 40. And towards the end of our first session, I was telling you, I have to see what I will do with this position, because it was a small position. I didn't have huge exposure and I was a bit concerned. But after analyzing the markets and after analyzing fundamentally and technically the chart of Italy 40, I came to the conclusion that soon it's a reversal, and ching ching, we had a take profit on our buy position. And now the market is still going high, but also here soon we will have a reversal. It's now on the day's high again. Here we go. Let's check here. It's on a day's high, and from that point and after it will drop, and we are short, and we will see how it will move on. Good. So shortly I explained all the trades on gold. I have to be a bit carefully. I have to be a bit carefully on gold. Maybe I will take some actions. Let's see. Let's have a look together on gold. Yep. I have to hold gold until this level over here. Daniel, you are short on gold. Good for you. I had a pending order and it got triggered. Well done, Daniel. It got triggered and now I'm looking at it. Ching ching. That's good. I got now during the opening we will see how it will react. It will drop furthermore for a short while. I think for another hour it will drop, and then we will see how we will react on gold. I believe it will go down up till 1,230-ish level, and then I believe it will recover. As you know, 1,230 is a very, very strong support or resistance level according to the moment how it works. On gold, we see. Let's see. We leave it there and then we decide. Yes, Daniel got very much into the trading patterns of mine and of Kyriakos. Daniel is from very since now 2 or 3 months with us, and he had several one-to-one meetings, and he's going quite well, Daniel. So going back, since we have some newbies today, I will shortly explain. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, on gold, as I said, we have to be a bit carefully, and around 1,230 level, it's for us the crucial level, just for you to know. 1,230, it's the crucial level. So let me see. No, on Italy 40 I will not enter. So guys, for the newbies in between us, we have some newbies. I will explain what I will do now during the US opening. We have another 10 minutes to go for the US opening, as you know. I will put the gold trade here. It should run over there. I'm not concerned about gold, but I don't like it. Leave it there and we will decide. We will decide. I don't like it. I don't like the movement of it. It dropped in the last 20 minutes, $3. The 1,230-ish level is a strong support level, as I told you several times already, guys. So I will see. Let's put here a trend level. Okay. Then I will put it also here. And another one here. Okay, these are the most important three support levels on gold. Okay, we see, and we decide. Let it run and then we decide. We have to decide. However, going back to our trades on USA 100 and USA 30, as you know, during the market opening, we try to trade when New York Stock Exchange opens. We try to trade USA 30 and USA 100. These are our main instruments we are trading during the US opening. And I see. Let me see how they are going. Okay. And I will up. Okay. As you can see, we had a huge, it's on a day's high, USA 30, it's on a day's high. and directly on the moving average 50. So I believe that here, if the earning releases today, we have the last big bunch of releases today. As you know, we have the earning release period, and currently it's the last big bunch of earning releases. And if the results are positive, I believe the MA to MA 50 will be just nothing, and it will just break through. On USA 100, we have a nice wave, a very nice wave. And let's see how it will react during the opening. We have another 7 minutes to go for the opening. Kyriakos would like to update you shortly about something, and then we are back to me.
So guys, it seems that our long reversal position started to make money, so I'm smelling a dollar weakening and a euro strengthening across the board. We can already see, how do I understand that? We can see that our latest reversal positions are in the money. For example, long positions on euro dollar is positive. Long positions on pound on euro yen is making me $12,000. Long positions on euro dollar is making me $4,600. Long positions on pound dollar is making me $5,600. Long positions on the Kiwi against the dollar again, $2,500. So we see a general trend for the last 2-3 hours of a euro strengthen and a dollar weakening trend. So the best performing trade for me for the moment in absolute terms, in absolute numbers, it is euro yen, currently making me around $12,000. We are not far away from our take profit. It would be very nice for all of us here to see a consensus, a bullish consensus of euro dollar, euro yen, pound dollar, Kiwi, so that we manage and close live in our trading room all these positions that we have. If we see that, which it seems that we are getting there, then we will have a very profitable afternoon session here live at Trademy.com. So just to sum up, only 2 pairs closed today, pound yen, pound Aussie. 22 trades are running, so more profits are on the way, I believe, from what I see of the charts, or from the momentum I get from the markets. So the good stuff is still yet to come, so you need to stay with us until the end of the session, and we will most probably we will hit some nice profits here at Forex Trading Desk. So just to sum up, I have long positions on Aussie dollar, I have long positions on euro yen, I have long positions on euro dollar, I have long positions on pound dollar, long positions on the Kiwi with very important announcements today, later in the night. I'm long on dollar CAD, short on dollar CHF, and short dollar yen. So as you can see, the majority of the trades, the last reversals, are making money. This means that eventually we get the directional volatility that we want, and we will soon hit take profit. So for example, euro yen is currently making me now $14,220. And as you can see, because of the mathematical hedge I have, we have overcome and surpassed the losing money of the previous short position. So this means that green and red lights will come on in a few seconds. If euro yen continues to go up, we are very close to our TP, and I believe we will get it, guys. We will get the TP. So it will be very interesting to see how these trades will develop. As I said, all latest reversal positions are making money. It means that we are getting there for some serious profits this afternoon session. So I see that the US Open is in 3 minutes. So we will pass to a leaf in 1-2 minutes. We will pass on a leaf in order to see her doing her magics during the US Opening. Those of you who are a few days with us, you will see that she's making serious money during this session. Welcome, Patrick. How are you today? So, guys, we are passing on to Elif. Elif, are you ready for the US session? All right, let's make some money. I will interrupt you if I have any profits, which I believe I will.
Hopefully. Oh, I'm sure about that. So I'm sure about that, Kyriakos. Thank you for the pass, and let's make some money. Some money. We kicked back a bit today with just $7,000 so far. We traded on gold, on DAX, on Italy 40, on oil. And now it's time to make also some money on the US opening. Although I have the feeling that the market is still not so moving so nicely. I see there is a lot of tension right now on USA 100. As I told you before, we have several shares announcing today. Okay, nice. Several shares are going to announce today again the earning releases, which will cause kind of volatility according to the results, but everything looks quite positive, which surprises me because of the midterm elections in the States. All day long we didn't see a lot of movement, and now let's see, we go to the pre-market opening. On forexlive.com, you know, we are checking our news on forexlive.com, guys. I don't like gold moving, how gold is moving. Okay, now we will expect a lot of movement today due to the midterm elections. We will expect some movement. Now the US elections just kicked off. We see this tension already on USA 100 and on USA 30. Let me see. We will put here another 1 second. Okay, we go long. We just went long on USA 100. USA 100. Okay, USA 30 is still not reacting. I will go short on USA 30 because I see a movement over here, a down movement. On USA 100, I didn't like the movement. Let's see if we can close with the smallest loss. Let's put a take profit. We are putting first a take profit on USA 100, on USA 30. Let me see, on USA 30, my take profit is at 25,440. 25,440 is my take profit here. And with this take profit, I'm aiming $500. We are making right now on USA 100, $200. Let me see. Here we go. We make a bit more. Let me put here 6,955 is my take profit here. Currently, we are making $400. Come on, $400 and I'm okay. Let's close it with $400, guys. Let's close it with, we hit take profit. We hit take profit on USA 100. Guys, USA 30, I don't like the behavior of USA 30. I will go also a long position on USA 30 and we might close this one. I will try to close this one with the smallest loss as possible. Let me see. I will put, let's see and we decide. We decide later on. So we have a buy position and a sell position on USA 30. Let's put a take profit on USA 30. It's at 25,490. Let me see. Our oil trade just hit take profit, guys. We hit another take profit on oil. We increased our profits to $8,300. I'm checking now for USA 30 buy position where I should put my take profit. Got a bit stuck. However, let's leave it there. Whoa, nice one. On USA 100, we go long, again, long on USA 100. We are long on USA 100 and we put a take profit at 6,995. So let's see, 6,995. We are making already $300. $300. Okay, guys, on USA 30, I will close my USA 30 position with the smallest loss of $2,000. I accept my loss here. I expect my loss. I got here $2,000 loss. Sometimes it belongs to the situation that you accept losses. And this is what I did because I don't like the movement. So very nice movement on USA 100. On USA 100, we are long and we are making money. There we go. Also, USA 30 is looking profitable. Let's put a take profit also on USA. On USA 30. Okay, I will go to 25,500. Okay, 25,500 is my take profit on. No, I will go higher. I have to go higher. I will go to 25,515. On USA 100, we are making $600. There we go. There we go. Very close to hit our take profit. I take my take profit higher. Also on USA 100, our take profit is at $1,000. Guys, in general, I don't like the day today. It's not a very, very good day for me today. We have some profits, but in general, the market is not as good as I like it. So let me see. We will get there. We will get there. I will go a bit higher with my take profit on USA 30. So you see on gold, we get stuck here. I didn't close my position still on gold, although I'm losing a bunch of money. Because I'm expecting here at this level a reversal, where I see between the red line and this red line, I'm expecting a reversal, and that's why I don't close my gold trade. However, on USA 30, I was not expecting a soon fast reversal. That's why I accepted my loss of $2,000 and closed it. So I closed it, and now we still have on USA 100, we are making right now $500. On USA 30, we still pay off the spread. Come on, come on, come on, a bit more. In the next pullback, I will enter again a position here, guys. I'm planning to enter again a position. Wait. Yep, also on gold, I get the confirmation on the 15 minutes chart. Yep, also on the half an hour chart, I get the confirmation of a reversal. It's a good one. As you remember, we were losing $17,000 on gold. Now it's just $12,000. We recovered, which is a good sign. So USA 30 and USA 100 got a bit slowed down. Let's see if we can get something on oil during the move here. Okay, guys, oil has a pullback, and when oil has a pullback, it's for us time to go long, right? We go long. Okay, USA 30 and USA 100 are making money. So we hit take profit on USA 100 and very close to hit take profit on USA 30, guys. I will take a bit higher the USA 30 position, and I will go long on oil. I just opened a long position on oil. I'm going again long on USA 100, guys. I'm going again long on USA 100. So we are long on USA 100, long on oil, and we adjusted our take profit on USA 30. So currently we got another $1,000 from USA 100. Another $1,000 from USA 100, and we need it for this trade. Just let me see, 7 minutes. Within 7 minutes, we made $1,000 on USA 100. So guys, go back. So USA 30 is recovering. Oil needs to pay off. That's okay. USA 100, let's put a take profit on USA 100. Let's put a take profit on USA 100. On USA 100, I will put, we are above $7,000, so sky is the limit, guys. So I will put my take profit on USA 100 at 7,010. 7,010 is my take profit, and at 7,010 I'm getting $400. Maybe I will adjust it a bit more later on. So on USA 30, my take profit is at 755. My oil trade is moving nicely. We have some movement here. And let's see. USA 100. Yes, Daniel, USA 100 Nasdaq is today our running horse, and we are getting ready to hit another take profit. I will move my take profit. I just moved my take profit, and I will move it a bit more. It's running high. Why not to hit? So I moved a bit more, and guys, we hit take profit on USA 30. We hit take profit on USA 30. Let me enter again once we have a pullback. I think we have a nice pullback. Here we go. We go again long on USA 30. So we hit another $700 on USA 30. Another $700 on USA 30. So what's next? What's next? What's next? Currently, we are making money on USA 100. On USA 30, we are not making money yet. Our oil position is not moving as soon as I want, as fast as I want, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. You know that. You know that. So let me see here with this trade. We are aiming another $700 on USA 100. With this trade, we are aiming another $700. With USA 300, we didn't put the take profit yet. On USA 130, on USA 30, we didn't put the take profit. Let's put a take profit here as well. I will put it at 25,000. 25,000. 540. 25,540 is our take profit. And let's see, we will hit also here some take profit soon. Oil didn't move yet in our direction. Gold, the gold, as I said, gold is trying all this time the same level. It's a pullback, and we will get there. There we go, USA 100. Let's get another $700. Another $700 on USA 100. USA 100, another $700, and we will be fine. Come on, come on, come on. Also, USA 30, it almost paid off the spread. Our oil trade started to move nicely. This is oil. Come on. So on USA 30, we are making $300. On USA 100, we are making $400. It's just a matter of time to hit our take profits. It's just a matter of time to hit our take profits. Also, oil paid off the spread and is giving us some profits right now. Come on. Come on. So, gold still moves a bit against us, but we will get there. We will get there. Guys, just for your information, after this session, you will find on Twitter all the updates. I will do all the updates on Twitter. So We have also a Facebook account. There we go. We hit take profit on USA 100, guys. On USA 100, we hit take profit. Another $600, $680. Let me see. On the next pullback, we will enter again. You know that? You know that on USA 30, we need time. Ching, ching, Daniel. Ching, ching. Yes, USA 30. It's nice. And as I said, we are expecting here a bit more movement. A bit more movement I'm expecting here, guys. I'm expecting here a bit more movement on USA 100 today. Yes, here we go. We go another long position on USA 100. So I just opened again a long position on USA 100, guys. Also, we hit take profit on USA 30. We hit another and take profits are running, guys. We hit also take profit on Dow Jones. We needed 5 minutes to make $680. $680. Let me see. In the next pullback, also here, we wait for a pullback and we enter again. So, and a bit more, and we will go again long. There we go. We just opened again a USA 30 position. Again, a USA 30 position. We have now long oil, long USA 100, long USA 30. Let's put the take profit on USA 30, and now we'll put the take profit of 25,555. That's, oh, not 88, 55. A small one, but a good one. So this is my take profit for USA 30. For USA 100, my take profit will be 7,035. This is my take profit here. And these are take profits which will take part during the day, and it will take some time until we hit them. So this is the next one. On oil, we will put also a take profit on oil. On oil, we put a take profit, and then we move to Kyriakos to give us also an update about his trades, what's happening on his side. Let me see. On oil, we go for 63.240. This is my take profit. Good. Good, good, good. Will be nice. So, Kyriakos, what's going on there?
So guys, actually here we are sleeping. Nothing moves today. The pairs have entered the consolidation phase now, very quiet. They don't move. We don't have the directional volatility that I want. A classic example is Aussie dollar. Look at Aussie dollar, guys, since 10:30 in the morning. It's trading in a very narrow trading range of 20 pips. We have a long position. I know I will get it. We just need to be more patient. And I would love to close these positions here live with you guys, but during our afternoon session, but it seems that the current market conditions will not allow me to do that. But when we come back tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we will check what we have done as we are always doing first thing in the morning. So Aussie dollar decided to enter a trading range, Euro yen stuck there, no movement, no up, no downs. So this is our take profit for Euro yen. are still struggling to get there. As I said, I have on my side now the short-term support area of middle Bollinger Band MA10 and MA50. On euro dollar, let me see, euro dollar has retraced and is testing now the middle Bollinger Band, is trying to recover. Again, here we have the short-term support area zone of MA50, middle Bollinger Band, and MA10. Let's see how it will react. So we need to wait again and see. Pound dollar, we have long positions. The pair is testing again here now the middle Bollinger Band. We have the zone here supporting our long positions. This is the middle Bollinger Band. This is the moving average of 50 periods. We will see what will happen with that. Let's move on to the Kiwi. Very important announcements tonight for the Kiwi. The pair is consolidating again. You see that Aussie dollar and Kiwi have similar patterns, sideways movements. We will see what will happen. We have long positions on the Kiwi. Dollar CAD tried to break to the upside, and then it's like the line of the dead. So no ups, no downs, very narrow trading range the whole day for dollar CAD. A very unusual behavior by dollar CAD. Usually dollar CAD is very volatile, but not today. So we have long positions. We are in the money, but still not enough to hit our TP, which is there. So we still have a distance to cover on dollar CAD. Dollar CHF, we have short positions. The pair lost the MA of 200 periods. Now is retesting it again. Very interesting movement by dollar CHF. We just again need to wait and see if we will make another downside move and hit our TP. And the last trade is dollar yen. We have shorted it close to daily highs. The price marginally hit our TP, but as you can see, as soon as the prices approach this MA 200 periods, they are having difficulties to decline. Now it has retraced to the upside, now it's trying to decline again, but now we have the support area. If we break it to the downside, then our short positions will still have a chance. So this is the current situation in Forex. I was not very active today. I have just managed to close only 2 positions and I have 22 trades open. It's amazing. So that's a classic example of a quiet day. But we will get there. We will get there. Either later tonight or tomorrow, we will get our profits as we always do. So all is needed is 2 things, patience and good risk management. That's why, if you decide to follow me, that's why I have provided you with this Excel spreadsheet for reversal position size calculations. So, I'm monitoring now the chart of, so far in absolute numbers, my best performing trade, let's say, is Euro Yen. The pair has declined in the morning, initiated short positions, but then we observed a failure swing, bottom completed to the upside, and we have reversed to long positions. We just need a small upside push and we will get the profits. Now, when that will happen, I don't know that. We need time for the trades to develop. They are not, I cannot determine the exact time of TPs, but we need time to develop. It's still away from our targets, target profits or reversal targets to reverse positions. The same with Kiwi, as you can see, since the morning, since 10:30, is in a sideways pattern. It's exactly the same attitude we observe on Aussie dollar. The only difference I see on Kiwi is that it seems to be more bullish because it had made new daily highs. While Aussie dollar also made new daily highs, but Aussie dollar is more flat, let's say, trading range of the Kiwi. The Kiwi, the channel of the Kiwi, let's say, is upward sloping, while the Aussie dollar is horizontally sloping, parallelogram, a rectangle formation. This is how it's called in technical analysis. Dollar CAD, as I said, hasn't decided yet on which direction it will follow. Dollar CHF is struggling now to surpass again to the upside the MA of 200 periods, but that's a very strong now resistance level, and that's in our favor because we have short positions on dollar CHF, a very strong resistance area now for dollar CHF intraday resistance level area between 10035 and 10041. I will be closely monitoring it, and I will see if we surpass that area. And the last trade I have is dollar yen, shorted in the morning, declined. Now we see an upside correction, and now the pair, it will decide on which way it will go. So that's all I have for the moment for you guys. I'm monitoring all the trades. Follow us on Twitter since we are posting any positions update we might have, either closing positions or our best or our daily performance profit and loss statements. So definitely to follow us on our social media is of great importance, so that in case you are following us, there they are. Thank you, Elif. So in case you are following us, you will be updated straight away of our progress of the positions that we currently open and close throughout the day. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. As I said, it's Champions League day today. We have in a few minutes some important matches will start, and of course, Daniel, we will have our team Liverpool with Red Star Belgrade. Really, Red Star is from Belgrade, I think. So let's hope we will have a nice and comfortable win. It's in approximately 2.5 hours, Daniel. Are there any more Liverpool supporters in the trading room, guys? Don't be afraid. You never walk alone, guys. You always walk with Liverpool and, of course, Trademy.com. So let's enjoy the Champions League match. Let's let the markets develop. Let's leave the trades alone and develop as we want them to do. No need to stress out. Just enjoy the Champions League games. Great games today, guys. Don't forget that we have Inter, Barcelona, Dortmund, Atletico. We have Napoli, Paris Saint-Germain today and tomorrow. Today's matches are great. Napoli, Paris. And we have also Atletico Madrid, Dortmund. Okay, so it will be very interesting. Traders are very exactly, no. So we enjoy the football today, guys, and we will come back and see tomorrow how our trades are performing. So, Champions League. Oh my God, Rachel, why did you mention that now? Oh my God.
I'm also with Man U.
Man. Oh, Rachel, why? You are such a nice girl. Why do you need to mention that? We don't mention such teams here at Trademy.com, only Liverpool, not Manchester United. Okay, guys, good luck to your teams. I'm just joking. Juve, Manchester United is tomorrow, I think. So today we will enjoy Liverpool, Inter, Barcelona, Atletico, and Borussia Dortmund. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. I need to go and start on a pub, have some beers, enjoy the football. It's football Champions League night tonight, so we all enjoy it here. What about Seth? Seth, what is your team, Seth? Which team do you support in Champions League? Just share your thoughts, guys. Okay, we had Rachel supporting Manchester United. Paris Saint-Germain, not bad. I hope we find you in the final. Seth, Liverpool, Paris, it will be a great couple to find in Champions League final. Liverpool, Paris. Let's see, Mbappe, all right, he's a nice guy, rising star, but I don't think you have a match against Liverpool, Seth. Sorry for saying that. We will see, of course. I don't want to say big words. So, don't worry, I will fully recover, Daniel. Thank you very much, guys. That's all I have for the moment. We will see you tomorrow again at 9 a.m. UTC time. Elif, do you have any updates, last updates? Okay, guys. Exactly, addicted to football. We live for football, and of course we live for trading, because without money from trading we cannot enjoy football and beers and stuff. So thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Thank you for being here with us. We will see you all tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time here at trading.com. Enjoy the football matches today, great matches, and thank you for coming here, and we will see you all tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. UTC time. Take care. Bye-bye.